Welcome children. Today we are going to start the new chapter fraction, and today's topic is also fractions. Okay. Look into the board children. So before studying fraction you should know what is whole. What is whole? One full thing is called a whole and it is written as 1. Okay. So read this. Whole. One full thing is called whole. Whole is written as 1. Look here children, here you can see a one full pumpkin. That is one whole pumpkin. Now here in this picture you can see a one full apple. That is one whole apple. That is one full thing is written as 1. Okay. Now children, here you can see a picture of a cake. From this cake one part was taken out. Can you see a part? A part was taken out. And that part is called a fraction. So what is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Understand? First there was a whole cake. From the whole cake a part was taken out. So that part is called the fraction. Okay. Now here you can see pizza. Can you see pizza? From this pizza one part was taken out. And that part is called the fraction. So fraction is a part of the whole. So read this children, a fraction is a part of a whole. So children, you have studied in first standard fraction. Do you remember? You have studied this, okay. So now look here. First one is half. What is half? 1/2 means one part out of 2 equal parts. Okay, 1/2 means one part out of 2 equal parts. It is written as 1/2. How it is written? It is written as 1/2. Look here children, here you can see a circle and it is cut into 2 equal parts. And this is the fraction. This is called the half. And it is written as 1/2. That is, this part is called the half and it is written as 1/2. Okay. Now what about this picture? There are 2 equal parts and this is called 1/2. Okay. So 1/2 means one part out of 2 equal parts. Now look here children. Next is quarter. Quarter is also called 1/4. So what is quarter? A quarter is one part out of 4 equal parts. There will be 4 equal parts. Okay. So look here children. It is written as 1/4. Quarter is written as 1/4. Look here. In this circle is cut into 4 equal parts. And one part out of the 4 equal part is called the quarter. So this is the quarter. This one shaded portion is called the quarter. Understand? And what about this picture? Here there are 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from this 4 equal part, one part is called the quarter. Understand? Next is 1/3. What is 1/3? 1/3 is one part out of 3 equal parts. It is written as 1/3. So 1/3 is written as 1/3. That is one part out of 3 equal parts. Here you can see 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. In this, one part is called the 1/3. Understand? Here also you can see 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. In this, one part is called the 1/3. Understand? Next is 3/4. 3/4 is 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. So what is 3/4? 3/4 is 3 parts out of 4 equal parts and it is written as 3/4. Understand? So how many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many parts I have to shade? 3 parts. That is 1, 2, 3. That is 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. Understand? So what all things you studied? Half. Half is written as 1/2. Then you studied quarter. Quarter is written as 1/4. Then you studied 1/3. 1/3 is written as 1/3. And 3/4. 3/4 is written as 3/4. Understand? Now we will do an exercise. write the fraction for the shaded part of each figure. Here you can see different figures on the board. You have to write the fraction in this box. Looking at the figure, you have to write the fraction here. So what is this shape called? This is a triangle. In this, the one full triangle is colored. That is, one whole thing is colored. So, what is the fraction? Fraction is 1. One full thing is called a whole and this is written as 1. Okay. Now look here. Here, how many parts are shaded? One part is shaded. And how many equal parts are there? Two equal parts. That is, one part out of two equal parts. So we have to write the shaded portion first. How many shaded portions are there? 1. So write 1 by how many equal parts? 1, 2. 2 equal parts. So what is the fraction? 1 by 2. Understand? Now look here, third question. How many parts are shaded? One part. So we'll write 1 first by how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3. So what is the fraction? 1 by 3. Understand? So next here, how many parts are shaded? One part is shaded. So we'll write 1 by how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the fraction? 1 by 4. Understand? Now next question here, how many equal parts are, how many shaded portions are there? 1, 2, 3. So we'll write 3 on the top by how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the fraction called? 3 by 4. Understand? Next question, how many shaded portions are there? 1, 2. So we write 2 on the top by how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 by 6. Understand? Now look here, how many portions are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll write 5 first by how many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we'll write here 12. So what is the fraction called? 5 by 12. Now next, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So we'll write 3 first by how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 by 5. So did you understand how to write the fraction? Okay, now we'll do the next question. Shade the given fractions. So here the fraction is given, you have to shade. So what is the fraction given? 1 by 2. So how many portions you have to shade? One portion you have to shade. So I am shading one portion. Understand? So the fraction is 1 by 2. That is one part out of two equal parts. Understand? Now what is the next fraction? 1. That is one full thing you have to shade. So this is 1. Understand? Now next is 3 by 4. So how many portions you have to shade? 3 portions you have to shade. How many equal parts are there? 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts you have to shade 3. 1, 2, 3. Understand? Now next is 4 by 9. That is 4 portion you have to shade. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 by 9. Next is 3 by 6. So how many portions you have to shade? You have to shade 3. And how many equal parts will be there? 6 equal parts. So let's shade 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next is 1 by 4. So how many parts you have to shade? One portion. Okay. So did you understand how to do? So today we studied fraction. Read the worksheet when you get. Watch the video and do the worksheet properly. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.